If you're like me and you enjoy doing your nails at home, then you definitely need one of these. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and use it and give you my full and honest review. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. So this is a nail dust collector. I personally love doing my nails at home, so this is definitely needed, especially when you are filing your nails. You know, you get a lot of the dust particles, a lot of the nail particles, especially if you're doing like acrylic nails. But take a look, it is so nice. It is very lightweight. We're gonna go ahead and try it out. As you can see, it has the plug back here, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. This is the top piece. This is what's going to be collecting all that dust. It does have a removable filter. Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. What you want to do is pop this off. Very, very simple to do. Simply pop off the top. And as you can see, the filter is in there. All you want to do is go ahead and remove it and dust it off. Here is the fan on the inside. Again, this is super lightweight. It does have a knob right here, so you can go ahead and adjust the speed. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. Another thing that's included is this cute little brush. You can go ahead and dust it off once you are done using it. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in and see how it works. All right, so there is the outlet right there. We want to go ahead and plug this in. So it's plugged in. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. That is at the highest setting. All right, I'm going to go ahead and lower this. Very nice. It is not too loud. So I'm going to go ahead and use it, removing some old nail polish. So overall, if you're looking for a good, affordable nail dust collector, I would definitely recommend. It is very, very convenient, especially not having to clean up a bunch of dust particles. Very, very nice. Everything falls within the area. It is absorbing all the dust collected, especially as I was filing my nail. So this is definitely going to be helpful as I am doing my nails at home. Overall, this is an amazing product I would definitely recommend.